Beverly Hills. The name evokes images of palm-lined avenues, gleaming mansions, and a lifestyle synonymous with wealth and glamour. Nestled within Los Angeles, Beverly Hills is an enclave where luxury is a way of life. Its manicured streets offer a glimpse into a world where dreams, or at least the Hollywood version of them, appear within reach. From the moment one crosses its borders, a distinct shift in atmosphere is palpable. To truly understand Los Angeles, one must explore the heart of Beverly Hills, its iconic landmarks, and the stories they whisper. No trip to Beverly Hills is complete without a stroll down Rodeo Drive, the epicenter of luxury retail. This iconic street is a testament to the allure of high-end brands and conspicuous consumption. Flagship stores of the world's most coveted designers line the sidewalks, showcasing their latest collections. Walking down Rodeo Drive is akin to stepping into a glossy fashion magazine. Immaculately dressed shoppers browse designer boutiques with an air of casual extravagance. Rodeo Drive is more than just a shopping destination, it's a symbol of a lifestyle, an aspiration. Whether indulging in retail therapy or marveling at the opulence, a visit to Rodeo Drive leaves an indelible mark. While Rodeo Drive may be its most recognizable face, Beverly Hills is much more than a one-street show. Beyond the bustling boulevards, one discovers a quieter, more residential atmosphere. Tree-lined streets wind through neighborhoods revealing architectural marvels from Spanish colonial revivals to mid-century modern masterpieces. Behind manicured hedges and gates lie sprawling estates, each a testament to the owner's wealth and taste. Parks and green spaces provide tranquil escapes, offering residents a chance to connect with nature and each other. Local cafes and restaurants serve as gathering places, fostering a sense of belonging. In these quieter moments, Beverly Hills reveals its true character. Beverly Hills thrives on celebrity, and spotting a star is a major draw for visitors. Whether it's catching a glimpse of an A-lister dining at a cafe or spotting a famous face at a boutique, there's a palpable sense of excitement. The city's restaurants have become legendary as hotspots for celebrity sightings. From power lunches at the Grill on the Alley to the intimate ambiance of Spago, these culinary destinations offer a chance to dine alongside Hollywood royalty. But the allure of celebrity in Beverly Hills goes beyond stargazing. It's about being seen, participating in a culture that celebrates success and aspiration. In a city where image is everything, seeing and being seen is an essential part of the Beverly Hills experience. Despite its location within Los Angeles, Beverly Hills maintains a distinct identity. It has its own municipal government, police force, and school system, dedicated to preserving the unique character of its residents. The city takes great pains to cultivate its image as a haven of luxury and exclusivity. Strict zoning laws protect the residential character of its neighborhoods, while meticulously maintained public spaces contribute to the sense of order and affluence. But this exclusivity comes at a price. The cost of living in Beverly Hills is among the highest in the nation, creating a stark divide between the haves and have-nots. The Beverly Hills dream, for all its allure, is ultimately attainable only to a select few. Beverly Hills serves as a microcosm of the larger Los Angeles narrative, a city of dreams and contradictions. It embodies the city's fascination with celebrity and its pursuit of success, while highlighting the economic disparities and social complexities of life in this metropolis. As the sun sets over the Pacific, casting a golden glow, it's impossible not to be captivated by the allure of Beverly Hills. It's a place where anything seems possible, where dreams are given wings, and where the pursuit of happiness is often measured in material possessions. But beneath the glitz lies a deeper truth, a reminder that life is a complex tapestry woven from both light and shadow. Beverly Hills is not just a neighborhood, it's an idea, a reflection of our collective aspirations and anxieties. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss any of our upcoming content. Give it a thumbs up, and remember, I've left the top 3 best hotels in Beverly Hills in the description below. See you next time.